Kau nampak kan kucing tadi? Boleh tak jadi comel macam dia bila dia marah? Engkau bila kau marah, cakap-cakap orang, kau tengok tangan aku ni, kau tengok tangan aku ni.
Final brain cell. Nino. Nino, Nino, Nino.
It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito. Kung sino pang pinili kong hindi makuha ng buo. Hanggang ganun na lang nga, kailangan ko tong tanggapin. Nasa puso mo meron nang ang ibang umaangkin. At alam ko na you are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend, how much I love your best friend.
Fuck you. I would appreciate some food. Fuck you.
You happy?
Fuck you.
Yeah.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop sniggle.
Be fashion, popping up in movies, ain't no Nazi bitches Ashton. He, I'm bad as Michael Jackson.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to. And it went like.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I.
One, two, three, four.
You memang sangat cute, so stop laughing so cute. You buat I hanyut. Kenapa you cute sangat? Even bila
I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a virgin with some brain.
Поставлю лайк. Я тебе поставлю лайк.
Con hổ kêu như thế nào?
Baby,
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a
Hey, oh, is that your dog?
No, it's my fucking cat, bitch. I need 10 on 1.
Okay.
That's what you call a fucking cunt.
Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. Now the day
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to give her lots of love, give her lots of love.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have a